Hey everyone, this is John and today I'll show you something special. প্রথমেই বাংলায় বলি, একটা দারুণ জিনিস ঘটতে চলেছে, একটা অন্যরকম খাবার ব্যবস্থা চলছে। আমাকে একজন সহযোগিতা করছে, আমাদের চার্চের একজন, সুতরাং ভিডিওটা শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন। So today I'll show someone, special someone, and she is EJ. EJ, today she ate something special and I asked her permission that can I post it, and she said yeah you can post it, but what, but
You can film as long as I eat for free.
okay, so you understand maybe. So today I'll show you how she can eat this. কিভাবে সে বাচ্চা সহ, হাঁসের বাচ্চা সহ ডিম খাচ্ছে, এটা কিভাবে সম্ভব এটা আপনারা দেখবেন। ওকে, সো I don't know how she can eat it. Okay, let's check it out.
Is the balot surcharge? If we just crack it. Oh, look, it's the juice. It's the juice.
My daughter likes balut.
Wait.
Okay.
I'm just putting.
And
I'm just putting.
she put some pepper.
No, it's salty.
Salt
Salty
and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
And then a lemon.
Salt and pepper.
And lemon.
Lemon. It has to be mixed though, Mickey.
Mm-hmm.
And then the inside.
And the inside, let them see the inside. Okay, but where's the duck? I didn't see the duck.
There's no duck yet. I think it's not really that visible.
Oh, there's the duck. They may see the duck. Let them see the duck. Oh, that's the baby duck.
Yummy.
Okay. Okay.
I
And
eat-
Pastor Roy also is eating. Brother Biswa, see you tomorrow, huh?
See you. See you.
Isn't that mine? Yummy.
And
Look,
LJ also.
it's more
is
of the egg.
eating. Yeah. That's the really the
There's the feathers.
yeah. So at easy love balut.
Eat all.
Eat all. Nothing is left. So now you see, that's how to eat the little duck, the duck embryo. And Pastor Roy,
LG will give me though.
okay, that's the show now. And
Oh, I think you enjoy it. Everyone enjoy it, right? So thank you for this video, especially EJ, and thank you for Pastor Roy, Ma'am Joby, and LJ for this video. And yes, you will get a treat. So one day maybe you and me will go for this ballot. I'm also try once, and you can eat how many you can. Okay, so যদি কেউ এটার সাথে জয়েন হতে চান, যদি কেউ খেতে চান, আমাদের সাথে জয়েন হতে পারেন, আমরাও একবার ট্রাই করে দেখব। এবং if anyone want to eat this, so go to EJ because he can teach you how to eat. Thank you everyone, see you, bye bye.